Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, today we are going to talk about something super cool, or actually super hot. Our very own sun. But we're not going to just talk about the surface or solar flares that you see in textbook. No, we are going inside the sun. Right. So, yes, today's story is about something deep inside the sun, something scientists thought they understood. But as it turns out, it's a little more mysterious than what it was expected. So, in this article, we are talking about iron. Okay, that's right. The same metal used to make your school's gate, cooking pans, and those heavy gym weights. But what it's doing inside the sun, and more importantly, why is it so opaque? Right, so let's dig in. Yes. So when we talk about sun, especially for younger students, sun is what? It's our neighborhood star. It lights up our days, warms the planet, and provides energy for everything from trees to traffic signals, right? Students, but the sun is more than just a giant ball of fire in the sky. It's like a laboratory, engine, mystery box, all rolled into one. Okay, so scientists have been studying it for centuries. इसके बारे में कई टाइम से पढ़ रहे हैं. They point telescopes at it. They also launch satellites to observe it. And they also create models to simulate what goes on inside it. Okay, this Aditya L1. It was a mission of India to study the chromosphere of sun, right? So scientists they've been studying it for many times, and uh, the sun help us understand other stars too, because sun is a star and a sun is a star. So sun actually helps us understand about other stars. So it's like the sample star, the one we can study the most. Okay, so if we get the sun wrong, we might be getting a lot of other stars wrong too, right? So that is why we need to study it properly. We need to have our facts cleared, okay, through research and through studies which scientists are doing. Now let's go inside the sun. Well, not physically of course, but imagine peeling away the sun's bright surface and diving in. So as you dive into the sun, you will find layers. You will pass through layers like an onion. Okay, so there's the surface called photosphere, and then the chromosphere is there, corona, that which is the glowing outer part. Okay, जो glowing outer part है, it is corona. But when we go deeper, we'll reach the core. Okay, core, which is which for younger students you can consider it as the sun's heart. Okay, where temperatures soar above 15 million degrees Celsius. 15 million degrees Celsius. And that's where nuclear fusion reaction happens. Okay, nuclear fusion. When I say nuclear fusion, meaning that something is fusing to form something bigger, right? So in nuclear fusion reaction, tiny hydrogen atoms smash together to make helium. Okay, tiny hydrogen atoms, they smash together to form what? Helium. Okay, and when this process is going on, it releases energy, and that energy is what? The sun's light and heat. Okay, and this reaction is taking place where? At the core, at the heart of the sun. And that's where iron comes in. Of course, not a large amount, but it's there. Okay, and it has a big job, very, very important one. Okay, now students, let's imagine one thing. Okay, imagine you are holding up a glass window. Okay, you are holding up a glass window so you can see right through it. है ना? Now hold up a metal sheet. Just hold up any metal sheet or any notebook in front of you. You can't see a thing. You can't see right through it. है ना? So that's the difference between something that's transparent and something that's opaque. ट्रांसपेरेंट का मतलब क्या है? जैसे ग्लास की शीट है, आप उसके आर पार यू कैन सी, राइट? बट if you have a piece of paper or a metal sheet is in front of you, you cannot see through it, है ना? आप उसके आर पार नहीं देख सकते हो. So glass is transparent. On the other hand, metal is opaque. And in science, we call this property as opacity. Okay, we call this property as opacity, meaning how much something blocks or absorbs light. So when we talk about iron, अच्छा metal, एक iron की sheet उठा के देखो, क्या आप उसके आर पार देख सकते हो? नहीं. So iron is naturally opaque, and that's why we use it in buildings, tools, and machines. Okay, light can't go through it easily. But here's the twist. Inside the sun, iron isn't in solid form. We have just now discussed that iron is also present at the core of the sun, but the iron isn't present in solid form. ऐसा नहीं एक solid ball में present है. Okay, it's in super hot state called plasma. Okay, it's present in super hot state. State क्या होता है? जैसे in science we study ना solid, liquid, gas. So similarly, the iron which is present at the core of the sun is present in super hot state called plasma. This is again a state where atoms are stripped of electrons and everything's in a soup like state of pure energy. Okay, so scientists have to calculate how opaque iron is under those crazy conditions and how those it's how it's being present there. So we know that calculating those calculations are not easy, है ना? तो अभी क्या हुआ, साइंटिस्ट ने काफी टाइम से, अब तो क्या है, अब वी आर लिविंग इन अ डिजिटल वर्ल्ड, सो वी हैव हाई टेक कंप्यूटर्स. So for years, scientists used computer models to estimate how light travels through the sun. And these models are super important. Reason being, they help us understand how energy flows, how hot the sun is at different layers, and how sound waves travel inside it. But here's the problem. Around 2015, scientists started noticing that their models didn't match reality. है ना, कंप्यूटर मॉडल्स जो उन्होंने किया था, जो फाइंड आउट किया था, तो उन्होंने ऐसे पाया कि जो जो मॉडल्स है, इट एक्चुअली डिडंट मैच रियलिटी. Some models said the sun had more oxygen and carbon than it really seemed to have. Others predicted temperatures or light patterns that it didn't quite add up. Okay, so one theory was that the models had underestimated the opacity of iron, meaning that iron was blocking more light than expected. Imagine driving with the sunglasses that are darker than you thought. It would change how you perceive everything. है ना? So they decided to dig deeper. And here's where it's get fascinating. Scientists actually they recreated they recreated sun-like conditions right here on Earth using high-tech labs with super powerful lasers. And one team in US, they even made it the temperatures to reach over 2 million degrees. So they watched how light passed through this plasma and measured exactly how much was absorbed or blocked. And guess what? Iron was way more opaque than expected. And in some cases, it went up to more than 400%. So that's like thinking your sunglasses are lightly tinted, but realizing they are blackout shades. Now you might be wondering, okay, iron is more opaque. So what? है ना? Well, in space science, students, everything is connected. Okay, if iron blocks more light, it means energy moves more slowly through the sun. ओके, जैसे ये सन है, इसका कोर है, यहाँ पे आयरन अगर लाइट ब्लॉक कर रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट ब्लॉक कर रहा है, तो यानी कि इससे जो एनर्जी है वो धीरे धीरे मूव होगी. So that changes the sun's temperature, brightness, and even its lifespan. Okay, and this also affects our predictions of other stars, the formation of galaxies, and even how we think the universe has evolved. So, this tiny detail, the opacity of iron, could change how we understand the entire cosmos. Okay, and this discovery also shows how amazing science really is, because science isn't just about answers, it's about questions and checking your work. For years, scientists believed one thing, but new experiments proved them wrong. And instead of ignoring it, they embrace the new data. And that's what science makes science powerful. It keeps learning, growing, and improving. Okay? So, the latest breakthrough came in January and March this year only, when researchers from US and France, they teamed up and they basically used advanced tools like fast cameras, lasers to measure over, you know, billions of data. And then their findings were published in top scientific journals. Okay, तो ये सारा कुछ हुआ. So the next time you see a picture of the sun or learn about stars in school, remember you are looking at a constantly updated scientific story, right? So what's next? See, scientists are, uh, you know, they are still studying, they are still testing how these findings fit with other parts of solar physics. They are asking questions like, how does this affect solar flares and sunspots? Does this change how sound waves move inside the sun? So new space telescopes and lab experiments are being planned. The goal, to build an even clearer picture of our shining star. Okay, students, so that's all we learned today. क्या क्या हमने सीखा, क्या क्या हमने पढ़ा आज? सबसे पहले कि we know that sun is our closest star and it is still full of surprises. Second, what we learned, that that the iron inside the sun is more opaque than scientists thought. Okay, and this discovery, this tiny change, could affect how we understand the entire universe. Okay, and finally, science, just like the sun, never stops shining light on the unknown. Okay, so students, whether you dream of becoming a scientist, a space explorer, or someone who just loves learning, this news article reminds us that the universe is always deeper than it seems. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, because even something as ordinary as iron can hold the key to extraordinary cosmic secrets. Okay, so thanks for joining us today, students. Until next time, stay curious, stay bright.